Can these black boxes attach to the cross member? Can you hear me? Am I talking loud?
I could hear you a little, but barely.
Oh, okay. It's hard to tell because I look so cool. The black boxes that are attached to the cross member, is that the cross member?
Pretty much.
Are those simply just to, because I noticed there's 3 holes in each, are those simply just to keep the wires lined up?
Those are for the cooling system.
Really?
So each battery is plumbed to have this glycol coolant ran through it. So the ones in the rear are manifolds, so that way we can route them and have them be distributed evenly throughout each of them. We thought that running them in parallel, meaning they all get their own fresh cold water and they all exit the same, instead of running it through one to the next one to the next one in series.
Yeah.
We thought parallel would be better. And then the water pump is gonna mount, or the glycol pump is gonna mount in the rear too on that side. So those are they're just manifolds. It just helps the water get distributed to each area. They're kind of crazy though. Oh, buddy.
Oh, shit. Yeah, it's exciting. At least it's still moving.
Yeah.
Once he's done here, we're just going to send it out to paint.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy
Just gonna
shit.
get it painted as quick as possible.
That's super, wow. That seems like we just jumped a whole bunch of steps compared to where we
jumped
were.
a shit ton, and we could have jumped a shit ton a long time ago if we were just going to do paint.
God, that's crazy.
Yeah. Oh well. It's got good bones. It's going to be a solid car underneath.
I noticed there still is no rear sway bar.
No, there's not. Kind of waiting to where we put everything in place. I may not have room for a sway bar.
So what are you going to do about what's going to act
It
as
would
a rear?
be okay without
Okay.
a rear sway bar. It would be fine. And if it's not, we'll figure something out. I can put something small. So I'm just kind of waiting for him. He mounted those 2 manifolds.
Yeah, I saw those.
Underneath there. We put the battery box in. Just waiting for a couple other things, and then I'm going to see what kind of wheel room I have. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
'Cause I want to make leave it to where there's some room. I hate cramming shit in
Yeah.
where it's super tight and you're like, oh, is that too close to that?
Yeah,
You know.
that's understandable.
Plus, I got to see where I'm going to route the exhaust. I don't want anything, wires or anything hot next to it,
But isn't the exhaust just for show?
Hey!
Let me see. The other one might be better. So this is the male. So you have to actually pin them. So I'll get whatever gauge wire, whatever color, and then I make a chart so I remember, and then I'll keep with the car. So that way down the road, if anything comes up or we want to know where what is, it's got a number and a color position. And then once I get this down, then I actually start making them, feeding them through, and then I make the female end, which is the same procedure. This one actually still needs 2 20 gauge and 2 16 gauges. But yeah, you assemble them, which makes them almost fully custom. You can do whatever you want with them. It's pretty cool.
Super feed wire through on both sides.
Mm-hmm. So that way, if you want to take something off, you're done. It's easy. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just colored heat shrink for identification. But most of the time you use it like if you solder or if you want to cover something up and keep it safe from touching anything, you can use this stuff. It's pretty good. So if I want to take this off, say these same color wires, I can tell them easier. I mean, I'll know, but it just makes it, if you ever have to work on it, it makes it easier. Just certain things I like to do. Tan, that's it. Hopefully I have enough to do what I need.
Those just scraps.
Yeah, but I keep them for stuff like this. Yellow and red. It's kind of a rat's nest, but I don't really feel like taking a bunch of time to organize scrap wire. I feel like my energy is better spent working on the Vic. No, things are going great. I'm excited. Hopefully we can keep going, and not too far from now we'll have it turning.
It's very exciting.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you keep plugging away. Get it? Play on words.
Yeah. Didn't.
I know. It's electrifying. How,
I'm glad you guys could
funny
come
I
in.
am.
Electrifying.
Yes, I know. I'm on fire.
Because
Well, I mean, that one kind of plays.
God, I hope not. I hope by the next time you guys come, you won't see any of that anymore.
That will be impressive in itself, just because there's so many wires.
There's a lot. Yeah.
It'll be impressive just to not see them.
Yeah. The real trick is, if you get really good at it, if you can not see it, but still get to it easily, that's like perfect. That's a hard thing to do.
I'm going to hold you to that standard.
All right.
I believe in you.
Thank you.
Still waiting on some parts. Ordered some shit that we're just waiting for.
Yeah.
Weird times, I'll tell you that. This is the weirdest shit I've ever experienced in my life. It's weird.
Yeah.